We're here in Gwangju Airport. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're here in Gwangju, China. Our connecting flight going to the Philippines. Yeah, so cute. I'm here in Picalina restaurant here in Gwangju, China. We're hungry, so we stopped by to eat our snack because we travel London to Gwangju, China 11 hours or more? 12? No, because our flight is 18 hours. Yeah, so we have our connecting flight here and 2 hours more going to the Philippines. Still waiting for our orders. Wow, this is our order, and we have the spoon and fork. Why you have the gloves? What with the gloves? You want to eat by hand? Huh? This is our order, and I told her to, and said there is no rice for him, so we're gonna share the food. This is his fries, and I don't know this because I ordered the meal and my son. So do you want me to ask them again for the rice? No? Okay, we're fine. We're gonna eat now because in an hour it's our boarding time. What? No, you need to open it. Oh, it's already open. No, you need to, yeah, grip this. Yeah, you can open it from there. Magkakaya. Because she ordered pigeon. Okay. We're gonna eat, guys. And guys, ang aming food, chicken curry, fried chicken curry rice, fried chicken fries, and this soup. And I have no idea what is this from the meal, and this one. And we're going to eat it. Kamay. Gutom na kami, guys. Hindi ko na na-vlog nung hindi ko na-vlog yung nasa Heathrow kami because I have no idea that we need to download the e-travel when you are arriving in the Philippines, and we don't know that. We just know in the airport, and it's take an hour or less to fill the thing up, and it's so hard for us. Oh, it takes time to load it. So this is the ketchup, oh. Guys, ang sarap ng soup nila. Panalo. And the chicken. This one is, sir, ano ba tawag dito, sir? Yung parang wasabi na kinakain ko. I forgot. This one, oh. It's so yummy. I forgot what is this because I'm so hungry. Always buy this one in the shop. Sarap ng soup nila. Init, mainit-init pa. What time is it? It's 10:04 in London, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. At 6 p.m. here. It's 6 p.m. here in China now. Mobile off kasi kami. Mahal ang roaming, kaya hindi nag-automatic yung aming watch. Sarap, oh. Ano tayo nag-chicken? Can you open this one, Ted? I want to know what is this. Open it. Mo. Siguro ano to. Let's try. What is this? Ano siya? Nasarap siya. Pickles. Pickles. Sarap siya. Kasama siguro siya sa meal. Sedo, get the rice, please.
Ayoko nga. Ilang beses ba? Ilang beses ba?
Because I have soup, oh. Ayan, kain muna ako, guys. Ayan, guys, ang table namin. At ang aming bill is, hindi ko alam, 117. Hindi ko alam sa pesos yan. Di pa sa pera nila to.
Ha?
Sa pera nila to, 117.
Ano naman, pounds yan.
Ayan guys, tapos na kami kumain ni Cedric. We go to our gate. Yeah, kasi 1 hour is boarding time na namin. And then we're full. Ha? Flight to Manila. Nasaan? 21:05. Ayun. Ay, check-in na pala. Let's go then. Okay, ito, return na. We're going back to London. We're here again in the food shop that we dined in last time when we going to Manila. We're here again in Picalina. We're waiting for our boarding time. We're going back to London now. The last time is going to Manila. Yeah, my order is iced tea, fries, and burger. I'm waiting for Cedric order. It's chicken. Hi, baby! Nanonood siya. Nag-download kasi ako ng movie. And guys, ang laki ng burger nila. Kain na tayo. Ayan, order ni Cedric. Naman sa akin, fries. Nanonood siya habang kumakain. Kain muna kami ng anak ko. Nice tea. Nice tea. Kakain muna kami ng anak ko. Baka malate na kami sa boarding time. Thank you guys for watching. See you in London. Tingnan ka lang yan.